write a complaint of what has happened. Has anybody been unfair to you in the public service? Have you been denied your promotion? Have you been queried unjustly? Have you been sacked without due process? Have you been discriminated against on the basis of any reason? Is it sex? Is it ethnicity? Is it religion? Is it even denomination within religion?
Okay.
Or is a private company being unfair to you because you bought a car that you have a warranty of a period of time, and the car started doing what it's not supposed to do, it started to be malfunctioning, and instead of the company to respect the protocol of guarantee, the person decide to be funny, you can complain to the Public Complaints Commission. And this is just representative of other cases you can have against the private company. Then after leaving the job as a civil servant, you are supposed to enjoy your hard-earned gratuity and pension. But some establishments will dilly-dally you. Many people have died in the process. Pension is part of our portfolio. And banking and finance, even in this regime of ATM, where people will slot in ATM and money will be deducted without performance of the ATM, and the money will be deducted from the account. Many of such money has been reclaimed when they complain to us. It is free. You just write, and the duty of pursuing it with the respondent lies squarely with the PCC, and you do. That civil servants must be very careful about what they do with their record. It is very important. I can say that when I started work in the 70s, I put the name of my father and my uncle as my next of kin because they were the only people I had.
Then,
I didn't have a wife, I didn't have a child. But immediately I knew I started having a family of my own, I changed it.
okay.
And later on, I realized that I have to have two. And one is old, the other is also next. So why don't you make it the oldest and the youngest as your next of kin, if you are using your children? And if you are using your wife, why not your wife and probably the youngest child? You have to be thinking of the most vulnerable people among the people you are leaving behind.
Okay.
So in other words, we must be conscious about this. We must not leave our establishment to keep our record, outdated.